Seen by all, an even more astounding sight took place as he slowly changed into an ancient medicine man, standing proud and noble, holding a sacred coop stick, a medicine wheel with 7 feathers suspended from it. The youth was gone. Black Elk stood before us. Behold the earth, he commanded, gesturing with his coop stick, directing our gaze, rising like a hoop of many peoples. It is holy, being endless, broken like the ring of smoke. The broken hoop begins to heal, to encircle the Indian nation. All nations once again heal. In a sacred manner, wide as starlight, though broken and scattered, Black Elk moved toward me, lifting his coop stick to earth. The holy tree will heal and flourish. Poets and shamans bring the people back into the sacred hoop, that they might walk again the red road in a sacred manner, pleasing to Wankantanka, the great mystery, Gitchi Manito, the great spirit, the great Father beyond all the names of my people, the spirit of the universe. Looking out over the sea of tranquility and the sea of faces following his every word, Black Elk said, though nations are in despair, teach this poet your strong medicine, that he might help humankind walk the good road again.